How to become your own money manager. Hello everyone, I'm Roan Celis Capistrano, a financial educator and a member of IMG, International Marketing Group. IMG provides financial education and we have a global campaign, and that is to have 1 million financially educated families by 2020. In this video, I will discuss the IMG membership benefits. I became a member of IMG 4 years ago, and now I consider myself as my own money manager. Why it is important that you become your own money manager? Dahil ang hirap naman na matagal ka na nagtatrabaho tapos walang nangyayari sa buhay mo. Dapat as you get older, your financial status becomes better. Di natin pwedeng iasa sa iba ang pag-handle ng personal finance natin. We have to gain financial education, make a financial plan, understand financial products, and actively save and invest money to hit our financial goals. First, let's discuss our challenges today. Number 1, an uncertain labor market. Di na po uso ngayon ang job security. Anytime pwede kang mawalan ng trabaho. Uso na kasi ang automation. Ito yung mas gugustuhin ng mga may-ari ng kumpanya na system na lang ang gumagana kaysa mag-hire ng maraming employees. Makikita natin to sa bank, konti na lang ang mga teller, may mga machine na lang. Sa Taiwan, maraming nawalan ng trabaho dahil robot na ang pinapagana. Number 2, low savings and high debt. Dahil majority ng Pinoy hindi nabibigyang pansin ang financial, instead na ipon ang napapataas, utang ang tumataas. You have to give attention to your personal finance kung ayaw mong lagi kang hirap sa pera. Number 3, the high cost of education. Nakakalungkot pong isipin na mas napaghahandaan ng mga magulang ang birthday party kaysa sa college fund ng mga anak. Number 4, increasing cost of living. Kada taon po tumataas ang bilihin. Inflation ang tawag doon. Marami ang kapos kasi majority 3% lang naman ang salary increase per year. Pero ang inflation is 5% per year. Kung di natin bibigyang pansin ang financial, lagi tayong kakapusin. Kaya marami ang solusyon ay utang. Bottom line, we have to accept the reality that we are facing a lot of challenges when it comes to money. The only solution is to control your future. Your future is not in the hands of your employer, your union, or your government. It is neither in the hands of your bank nor your broker. Sino ba ang mag-iipon para sa'yo? Ikaw lang. So you have to make money. Make sure that you save a portion of your income. Learn to accumulate or grow your money and protect your money. In IMG, we will help you to become your own money manager. We will help you understand how money works. Mahirap kasi trabaho ka lang ng trabaho. Kaya we will help you make your money work for you. We will help you build your strong financial foundation. Through IMG trainings, maiintindihan mo yung personal financial strategy. Di lang investment ang tinuturo, pati debt management, and the importance of emergency fund and insurance. Ngayon po, usong-uso na yung do-it-yourself, kagaya ng pag magbubook ka ng travel ticket, at uso na din ang membership para maka-avail tayo ng benefits like discounts. Nagpapamember tayo sa gym, sa Mercury meron tayong Suki card, sa SM meron tayong SM Advantage card. When it comes to financial, IMG has a platform na you can take advantage. If you become an IMG member, you can gain financial education. You have direct access to financial products and services. You can save money on various products and services. Plus, we have business ownership program na you can also avail. Once you become a financial professional, you can represent multiple financial products and services and earn additional income. You can learn and earn in the financial industry. Do you know how money works? So once you become an IMG member, these are some of the important concepts that you will understand. X-Curve concept is about financial planning. We will also guide you as to how to compute proper protection and retirement fund. What do the wealthy know that the normal people don't? They know how money works. In IMG, we will help you understand magic of compound interest developed by Albert Einstein. Do it yourself. You have to attend trainings para alam mo mga investment facilities where you can put your money. Do you know about savings and investments? Do you know how mutual funds work? Do you realize that the interest in savings account is currently too low to offset inflation and taxes? That you are most likely losing money every day. So we have to be financially literate. Do you know life insurance? Do you know the difference between term life, whole life, universal life, variable life, index life? Bago ko po nalaman ng IMG, kumuha po ako ng insurance. Ang mahal po ng nakuha kong insurance at ang liit ng coverage kasi di ko naintindihan. Dito po sa IMG, tuturuan kayo mag-compute how much insurance do you need at makaka-access ka sa pinakamurang term insurance sa Pilipinas. Are you the type of person who buys insurance but puts the policy in the cabinet and never looks at it? Do you know about long-term care? Healthcare is the most neglected savings and is the #1 cause of bankruptcy. Marami po sa atin may short-term healthcare and PhilHealth. Pero dito ko lang nalaman sa IMG na kailangan mo din palang paghandaan ang long-term healthcare kasi madalas naman nagkakasakit tayo sa older age. By the time na matanda na tayo, wala na tayong short-term healthcare. Di na tayo covered. Ang PhilHealth, di din natin pwedeng asahan dahil small portion lang naman ang sinasagot nito sa total hospital bill. Nakakatuwa nga na kami ng husband ko parehong fully paid na sa long-term healthcare plan namin. So, may peace of mind na kami when it comes to healthcare. You can learn more about long-term care here in IMG. Do you know about the high cost of education? Do you know how to compute for education fund of your child? Dito po sa IMG, tuturuan kayo mag-compute, kasama po sa computation yung inflation rate na 6%, yung pagtaas ng tuition fee every year. At dito, tuturuan ka din kung saang investment facilities mo pwedeng ilagay ang college fund para mag-grow yung ipon mo. Again, do it yourself. Learn how to plan for the future of your child. Protect your future. Here in IMG, tuturuan din kayo sa estate planning. Marami kasing pamilya ang nag-aaway-away dahil sa property na naiwan dahil walang last will. Here is the list of all the benefits you can avail once you become an associate member of IMG. You have a lifetime access to financial education workshop. Sa workshop po, tinuturo dyan how to increase your cash flow, debt management, insurance, investment, estate planning. Second, as part of do-it-yourself, we will guide you in doing financial check-up. Importante ang financial check-up dahil every year may changes sa financial status natin. Another benefits po, asset preservation services. Ito po yung sa estate planning. Discounts from real estate companies, discount on various financial products and services, save money on car and home insurances. In short, by being an IMG member, you can avail of discounts on various financial products and services. Another benefits, access to health products and services, access to life products and services, access to investment or retirement products. In short, as an IMG member, may access ka sa mga product trainings para maintindihan mo muna mga products bago ka kumuha. At dahil IMG member ka, you bypass the middleman, meaning, di mo na kailangan dumaan sa agent. Diretso ka na sa product. Ang advantage nun, magiging discount mo na yung commission dapat ng agent. Another benefits, get accredited with various financial products and services providers, build a business in the financial industry, and opportunity to travel the world. Last three benefits refer to business ownership program. Here in IMG, you can avail business ownership program. Then we will train you to become a financial professional. By being a financial professional, you can earn additional income. And dahil maraming offices ng IMG all over the world, you have an opportunity to travel the world. Access to major providers. It's a one-stop shop financial services. Ang IMG po walang product. IMG serves as a financial school to provide financial education. If you want to invest, di po kayo sa IMG mag-i-invest sa mga company po na nagpo-provide ng need mong product. So, ito po ang partner providers ng IMG. We have Kaiser for healthcare, Philam for term life insurance. Sa investment po, maraming pagpipilian na mutual fund companies. Sa real estate, marami din po. General insurance, ito yung gusto mong pa-insured car mo, bahay mo. Marami pong pagpipilian. And lastly, APSI Max for Asset Preservation Service. As an example, if you need healthcare, go directly to Kaiser. Do it yourself instead of going to agent. Diretso ka na sa product provider. To know more about IMG membership benefits, you can email me at roancelis@gmail.com. You may also click the link below to register to our free financial checkup and free webinar, that is online seminar. Thank you for watching this video.